Hello sir, pleased to meet you. What's your name please?
My name is Tawanda Makore.
Say it again?
My name is Tawanda Makore.
Ah, alright. We always find it difficult to understand the Songa names, huh?
Yeah.
It has a special meaning or?
Yeah, it's like, in our family, the family was very small. And when I was born, and the family was happy. Tawanda means we are now many. And my surname, Makore, it just means clouds.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, that's nice. That's nice. And we are looking at the piece. What was the name of the piece? Can you please take your hands away then?
Yes, these are happy lovers.
Happy lovers.
Yes.
Okay. They are dancing or what are they?
They are dancing.
Yes. It's nice. What type of stone is it?
This is springstone.
Springstone?
Yes.
Okay. You always work with springstone or?
Basically, I love to work on springstone and opal, and occasionally on other serpentines.
And are you already working a long time of your life? I mean, the period of your life.
Basically, where we come from where there's a community of sculptures in Guruve, the home of Chengenenge, Sanganayat Gallery, and other galleries. You see. Okay. So this is part of our time pass. So I cannot tell you exactly when I started sculpting. I started when I was a young boy.
From the date of your birth?
Not from the date of my birth. At around 10 years to 15 years, I was already a promising artist.
Okay. And who taught you to do it?
Basically, I started by imitating the elders in the community, like my late uncle, Akens Makore, the likes of Brighton Sango, Rukozi, and other artists in the community.
Okay. All right. Okay. I hope you continue making beautiful pieces. Huh?
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, sir.